Hey, it is Monday, 9/21. What we are doing in class today is we are taking the assessment that we've been getting ready for. This is assessment number 2. You will not be allowed to take that until the previous review that was posted on Friday is completed, along with all the work going up to that. Because again, I'm not going to give you an assessment that you were not ready for. The first assessment has now been marked as 0 if you weren't ready for that, which means that a lot of assessments are going to be marked 0 for this next round, because if you're not doing them, you're not getting any points for them, so there's a 0. Until I have evidence that you know the material, it's going to be a 0, because I assume you don't know it. So if you are behind, you've got stuff that you need to be doing and you need to get caught up. It is basically a work day where one of the things you need to work on is the test. For those of you that are at home, make sure that you are getting caught up. Tomorrow, Tuesday, will be your test day. There will be some new material posted there for the people that are at home. But make sure that you are getting caught up so that we can get into the tests and stay on top of things, okay? I will see y'all in class.